In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the primary currency in Sellfy. Whether you're looking to cater to a different market or simply want to make things more convenient for you or your customers, changing your primary currency is a straightforward process. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Sellfy account. This is your gateway into all the settings and features Sellfy offers. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Sellfy dashboard. Now, the dashboard is essentially your control center. This is where you can manage your store, track your sales, and keep tabs on other important metrics. From here, our next destination is the store settings, specifically focusing on the payment settings option. In the store settings, navigate toward the payment settings. This section is crucial as it houses everything related to how you manage and accept payments in your store. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these settings, as it's always good practice to know how your payment systems are configured. Look for the section labeled Primary Currency or something similar. This is the key feature that allows you to change the default currency in which you'll conduct transactions on your Sellfy store. Sellfy is quite versatile because it supports 25 different currencies, including the Philippine peso, PHP, US dollar, USD, Euro, EUR, and many more. This flexibility ensures that you're empowering your store to meet the needs of your audience, no matter where they are in the world. When you find the drop-down menu for Primary Currency, click on it, and a list of available currencies will appear. Go ahead and select the currency that aligns with your business needs or your target market. For instance, if you're focusing on the Southeast Asian market, switching to PHP might make more sense. This minor tweak can significantly enhance the shopping experience for your customers by removing any conversion confusion. After choosing the currency from the list, you should see an option to confirm or save this change. It's essential to make sure that you save your settings, as this will solidify the switch. Once you have saved, look out for a green banner that should appear on the screen. This banner is your confirmation that everything is updated successfully. By following these steps, you've not only streamlined your payment process, but also taken a significant step toward localizing your store offerings. Adjusting your primary currency can lead to a higher conversion rate and customer satisfaction, depending on your audience. Remember, keeping your store settings aligned with your goals is an ongoing process. Whether you're a small business owner or a digital entrepreneur, understanding and optimizing your payment settings can provide both you and your customers a seamless shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, stay tuned for more tips to make the most of your Sellfy store.